Hi everyone, this is Sheila Sapan Matre. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys? How have you been doing? So today we are going to see how the month of October 2021 is going to be for you. If your birthday is in the month of October 2021, how is it going to be? So if you are a new subscriber, thank you for seeing this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being an SSMian. So we have these three options today. I am going to use divination tools as well, like charms, universe messages, and things like that. So as you all know, in my weekly readings, I do not use divination tools. That is how the week is going to be. In other readings, I always use angel cards, tarot cards, and divination tools as well. In between, for monthly readings, I had stopped, but like 2 readings I had done without using divination tools, that is August and September, but I'm restarting it again for monthly readings as well. So for today's option, a pick a card reading, we have first option as this lovely California sage. The second option is this beautiful black tourmaline bracelet. The third option is the 7 chakra wand. So you can just breathe and see which option is calling you. In case if you're confused, you can also use pieces of paper like this, 1, 2 and 3, or in my case I've used tiles, which is 1, 2 and 3. So you can choose either a piece of paper, just say dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the month of October 2021 is going to be, and just pick up any particular number. Another option is if you had to take any particular item home, which option would you choose? I kept this beautiful goddess Durga statue because Navratri is in the month of October 2021, and in today's reading we are going to see how what kind of blessings goddess Durga is going to bless you with in the month of October 2021. As usual, all the options available in this pick a card reading, the crystal tea light, candle holders, and this lovely goddess Durga statue is available with my sales team as well. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. So let's get started. Focus on all the 3 options. Okay. Now let me begin by saying a lovely prayer for all of you. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Goddess Durga, please illuminate the mind of the viewers and bless them with good health, joy, happiness and prosperity. This or better, thank you. Now let me clear your energies and my energies as well with this beautiful California sage. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please clear the energy of the viewers, this place, and me. This or better, thank you. Alright, so let's get started. Hello group number 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So I've chosen this beautiful California sage, which means protection is one of the main focus that you're going to have in the month of October 2021. You are safe, you are protected, you and your loved ones are safe. If you have any security regarding your safety, or you tend to have anxiety regarding safety and security of your loved ones, then this is a message for you to feel assured that everything is fine and everything is okay. Alright, so this beautiful California sage is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, the number given below. Alright, so let's get started. We're also going to see your angel cards, tarot cards and other divination tools as well. So let's see, let me see if the cards are proper. Okay. So let's see your month ahead. feel some of you have been sad and you just don't know why you are sad. Like you're like, I just don't understand. Why do I feel low? Why am I sad? That kinds. I feel that some of you really want a nice spa treatment, just some pampering, and that's going to make you feel so relaxed and good. Let's see the changes coming your way. I'm hearing the song, My Dream is to fly like the angels so high. Maybe that's your dream. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great. I feel that you need to pay attention. Pay attention to opportunities coming your way because somehow you are ignoring them. Let's see blessings from Goddess Durga in the month of October 2021 for you or in general. Blessings from Goddess Durga in the month of October 2021. And I'm going to remove one card, which is going to be overall blessing from Goddess Durga, which is timeless. Okay, so this I will pick up at the end, so I'll keep this over here. All right, okay, let's get started. I'll keep your cards over here. Oh, let me keep it over here. Okay, let's start with your tarot cards. Four of Cups. So, as I said while shuffling your cards, do not miss opportunities. You need to pay attention. And this is what the Four of Cups card is telling you as well. You need to, you may feel bored, you may feel lazy, you just won't feel like, like there would be some days in October wherein you won't feel like doing anything, all right? So, take some time off, heal. However, in that process, do not forget to look at the opportunities available to you, because if you miss these opportunities, it's not going to be that great. All right. I also feel you need to, some of you may lose something which you will try to find, but you may not be able to find. But understand that it's right there in front of you. All right. So that's what I'm hearing. Okay. Let's see your next card. Ace of Pentacles. So there is going to be growth, all right? You are going to experience some sort of new beginnings in terms of your finances and material aspects, all right? There is going to be a lot of new there's going to be a lot of light around you, all right? You are going to be grateful for the finances that you have. You're going to really go ahead and you are going to start something which you always wanted to start, but you had doubts about it. Okay, so there is some new it could be a new project, it could be some new investments that you may do, but something new. Okay, it may so happen that you may start saving money which you were not doing before. Something, we're going to do something new with regards to money, all right, or career. Now let's see your next card. Seven of Cups. So there are going to be a lot of things going on in your mind. There are going to be a lot of choices available to you, and you're going to be so confused as to whether you should choose A or whether you should choose B. However, understand one thing. Whenever you are confused, all right, you can just write down whatever the pros and cons of each choices is, go and seek an expert help, all right, and then choose. Or maybe you buy some time before taking a decision. Whatever it is, take an informed decision, all right? Wow, this is so lovely. So, very clearly, in the beginning, you may feel a little bit lost, and then you will find what you were seeking. All right. However, when once you find what you're seeking, you will be further confused with regard to the choices that you need to make with your decision. All right. So, for example, let me tell you, you decide that you are very upset about your career. Okay, you just don't know what you need to do. Then you figure out, hey, I would like to start say a cafe shop. Okay, you figured that out. And once you start the process of the entire cafe shop, there is going to be a lot of options available to you with regards to whom you should partner with, what you should do, what else should be there in your menu, whether it should be a conventional cafe shop or something. So it's going to be a little bit of confusion. All right, but don't worry, confusion leads to clarity. All right, there's always a confusion which has led to clarity, which in turn has led to big achievements. All right, now let's see your other cards. Let's see the blessings from Goddess Durga in the month of October. Discord among friends or family. So this is a blessing. All right, which means if there was or if there is any sort of discord between friends or family, Goddess Durga is going to resolve that. All right, and there is going to be peace and harmony again between you and your family, or you or your friends. Let's see the next blessing. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Now see how interesting. This is a blessing, right? Now, as I said, your very two cards are talking about, okay, this talks about opportunity which you may miss, and this talks about a lot of confusion. However, look at this card. This is a blessing coming from Goddess Durga, which means that whatever confusion is, okay, whatever indecisiveness is, she is going to sort that out, and she is going to help you to sort that out. All right, so she will send someone who is really very intelligent, wise. When I say intelligent, it means both emotionally intelligent, like EQ and IQ both are high, that kinds. All right, so this person is going to help you with regards to whatever confusion you have. Now let me see the overall blessings that Goddess Durga is going to bless you with. Light-hearted, carefree time. So overall, okay, not only for the month of October 2021, Goddess Durga is going to bless you with a lot of time in which you can enjoy without feeling guilty, which can be like a me time. All right, this is so beautiful, especially if you are a parent to a newborn. That can definitely help. Now let's see your health. Listen to your intuitive feelings. Our body gives us messages via our intuition, and if you follow that intuition, your health definitely becomes better. It could be as simple as your intuition telling you to get medical tests done or to go to a doctor. It could be something like, hey, stay hydrated. So whatever intuition you are getting regarding your health, please ensure that you are following it. All right, let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great month ahead. Surrender to prayer. All right, since there's going to be so much of indecisiveness, all right, it's important that you pray, because when you pray, all right, you are asking divine to help you. You're allowing divine to help you. Because of the law of free will, God, Goddess, and archangels can help us only when we let them. All right, also when you pray, first thing you feel is calmness. The anxiety, the fear tends to either go down or go away completely. And when that happens, you start feeling more relaxed. And with the relaxed mind, you are able to take proper action. You're able to take more informed decisions. All right, so surrender to prayer. All right, that's going to really help you to listen to the answers as well. All right, let me keep your card over here. Let's see your next card. Your career. Spiritual teacher. Wow, you heal with your classes, sessions, and seminars. So it could be that you are a spiritual teacher, or you are into some sort of training, coaching, you're a life coach. So this card is telling you that your classes, the classes that you conduct, the seminars that you take, the sessions that you take, it could be that you are a mentor in a corporate, all right? So your teaching is helping people to become better version of themselves. Your teachings are helping people to cope up with life in a very easy and a comfortable manner. So your life purpose, you are going to, it can also mean that you may meet a spiritual teacher who is going to kind of guide you as well. All right, let's see the next card. Your love life. Trust. It is safe to trust in this situation. So if you are single and you have been kind of, you had disappointment in the past, and because of which you look at every person, every prospect as a cheater in hiding, all right? Or you're not able to trust them for any reason, or maybe you don't trust your love life in general, all right? So this card is reminding you that in October, you know it is safe for you to trust that things are going to be in place in your love life. If you are in a relationship or if you are married, then this card is telling you that there is going to be a situation as a couple you may face, or you just may face regarding your partner. But this particular card is telling you to just keep your trust and everything is going to be all right. Okay, so let me keep your card over here. Let's see the next card. What changes are going to come in your life in October? Forgiveness. Wow, this is so beautiful. So either you are going to forgive people who have been quite difficult or toxic. As I always say, forgiveness does not mean being friends with them, all right? Forgiveness means being neutral to them, which means they don't, when you think about them, you don't get irritated, you don't feel sad, you don't feel hurt, because you have healed, and they don't matter anymore, all right? So forgiveness means moving on without a grudge, all right? So yes, this card is saying that you are going to forgive people. Also, this card means that you will seek forgiveness, and that can really help to lighten your conscience. Okay, now let me keep this card over here. Let me just shift this card. Okay, all right, let's see your next card regarding your finances. Successful funding. Wow, with the Ace of Pentacles, I am not surprised. So if for any reason, for any new project or in general, if you needed some sort of funding, then that's going to come your way in this month, all right? It also means that the idea that you have got, that's going to go really well, all right? And don't be worried. See, as I said, these two cards also mean, okay, the Ace of Pentacles is, wow, I got an idea to start something new, awesome, all right? And then you are the Seven of Cups, wherein you're like, oh, okay, I got the idea, but how do I arrange the resources? How do I ensure that everything is in place? So this is telling you successful funding. So your new idea is going to be supported by the divine. So if you have any financial concerns regarding a new idea, you can put that to rest, because that's going to be taken care of, all right? Isn't that beautiful? Let's see your next card, how you need to nurture yourself. Let me keep your cards over here so that you can see them. Okay, let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Hydrate. So you should stay hydrated. Do not drink too much water, do not drink too less water, all right? So drink as much as your body needs, all right? And that way you're good to go. Okay, lovely. Now let's see which divination tool is applicable to you. Let's pick up a box. not a box. Pick up a box from this particular this. Okay, let me pick up which box. Purple. Okay, I got purple. Let me. It's not getting zoomed in. Can you see purple? It's not. The camera is not zooming on purple. Okay, nevertheless, it is purple. Okay. Alright, now let's see what your purple box is telling us. Ta-da! Okay. Let me remove your cards. The first thing you got is focus on being better than yesterday. So it's you versus you. You got over here a bike, which means moving ahead. All right. So you need to move ahead. Some of you could literally buy a bike, or you may just service your bike. All right. Or it may just mean moving ahead. Let's see what words you got. You got women. All right. So maybe if you women are going to be important, okay, in the month of October. And yeah, that's what it's saying. Hold women, okay, which means support women. All right, give them support, whether you're a man or a woman. Support women, especially the ones whom you think can benefit from your help. All right, let's see what's behind. Park and impress. All right, so some of you are going to impress lot many people. And with this park, I feel that finally, you will be able to find what is your true calling. For some of you, not all of you. Some of you may just need to be careful while parking your car so that you don't get a ticket. All right, let's go ahead. You have got butterfly, which means a lot of changes coming your way. All right. Then you have got. Now, if you see, today the camera doesn't want to focus. Okay, let me try. Now it's focusing. So as you can see, this person is about to catch this ball. We don't know whether he's going to catch it or miss it. All right. Now this is quite in sync with this particular card. All right. So here is this man who is not looking at the cup which this person is offering. All right. However, if he looks at this cup, he is not going to miss, the opportunity kinds. So this is a similar charm. Isn't it amazing how everything is in sync? Now, oh wow, you got a ring, which means commitment. All right. It can also mean engagement, wedding, and definitely commitment. All right. Okay, let's empty your other tools. So I got the number, angel number 60, which means the creator loves you, and you need to balance your spiritual and your material, and all your material needs are going to be met. Do not worry. All right, now let's see your there's one more thing. Okay. I will hold you in my heart. I will hold you in my heart until I hold you in heaven. So this is a message from God, goddess, archangels, a past loved one. So don't worry, there is a lot of support, and there was something which spoke about holding, okay, which let me check. I think successful funding, I said that, yeah. So, now this is also quite clear over here. All right, successful funding, which also talks about support. Now let's see your alphabet. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or maybe a particular a word wants your attention. So I'm hearing the word gel. All right, I'm seeing the word gel, sorry, not hearing it. and you had a blessing which spoke about discord and yeah, here you go. So this is the blessing which goddess Durga is going to give you with regards to solving discord among friends and family, and that's what even the word gel means. Okay, and you got dua, which means a prayer, and see, look at that, you have got surrender to prayer. So this is so beautiful. Now let me get your wheel of fortune. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you have got miracle. Lovely, lovely, lovely group 1. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If your birthday is coming in the month of October 2021, I have done a special reading for you. Check the timestamp below. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and absolutely happy, healthy and safe. So today we are going to see how the month of October 2021 is going to be for you. We're going to see angel cards, tarot cards, your divination tools, wheel of fortune, and if your birthday is in October, do check the special birthday reading that I've done, timestamp below. So let's start with your reading, guys. So you have chosen this beautiful black tourmaline bracelet, which means protection, grounding is of importance in the month of October. You're going to pray for protection, and I feel you have been praying for protection, and Goddess Durga is going to bless you with the same. We're also going to see special blessings from Goddess Durga in the month of October and in general as well. Alright, so let's get started. This beautiful bracelet is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. Alright. Let's see your health. Thank you so much for all the love that you give me in the comment section, and also all the lovely feedback that you give about the workshops, the products. It does mean a lot to me. Let's see what you need to surrender. I'm hearing that you need to be more playful, especially with regards to your work. You're very overburdened or stressed. See, whatever situation you are facing, that's not going to go away, right? But if you if you have a more playful attitude, if you don't take it that seriously, it will definitely make you feel a little bit better and less miserable. Your love life. What changes? If you want a special message from Goddess Durga, or how to do how I do Durga Puja, I will put those video links in the comment section as well. Let's see your finances. Don't pay attention to people who are naysayers. And don't go too ahead of yourself. It's good to have dreams, it's good to have goals, but it's not good to burn yourself out. Let's see the blessings from Goddess Durga. Okay, this card just flipped, so I'll keep that. From October 2021. And let's see a special blessing, an overall blessing, which is beyond October 2021 as well. Let me keep it over here. Okay, so let's keep your cards. Over here. And let's see. Some of you are having back pain, upper back pain, lower back pain in general. Check your posture. All right, go see a doctor, do some back exercises as well. Now let's see your first card. Six of Pentacles. Wow, generosity. So you are definitely going to be generous towards others. You are also going to receive support from others. Do not deny it. Do not be like, oh, I don't need anybody's support, I can do this on my own. No, we all need support, and be open to receiving it. All right, you are going to get some help. It could be in the form of money, it could be in the form of kind, so take it. All right, Ace of Wands. It is so interesting that group 1 had Ace of Pentacles and you have Ace of Wands. There is going to be lot of new beginnings in your life. Lot of things will be set into motion. Also, there is going to be a lot of creativity. If you have, I can hear some of you are writers, or you have some written work, all right, which is almost in completion, so that's going to give a lot of happiness. I also feel that some of you may start something which was your hobby as a profession as well. All right, yeah, there is going to be new beginning in life. All right, let's see. Wow, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands, group 2. Wow, this is so awesome. So there is going to be emotional new beginning. All right, this is so amazing, and there is going to be a new adventure as well. I am hearing some of you are going to be parents. All right, there could be marriage happening, engagements happening, baby shower. Some of you may even get pregnant with twins. Please note, these are general readings. All right, so if you don't want to be pregnant, and if I just said that some of you, it doesn't have to be you necessarily. All right, so, and be careful if you don't want to be parents. All right, so this particular cards, clearly there is a new beginning, and it's like a divine blessing, clearly a divine blessing. Now let's see your other cards. Blessings from Goddess Durga. Dissatisfaction with life. Now this is a blessing, so we have to read it in a positive way. Goddess Durga is going to remove dissatisfaction from life, and of course with Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups and Six of Pentacles, this is so obvious, obvious as in we need to be grateful, but this is so amazing. So definitely whatever was the discontent, that's going to go away. Let's see the other blessing. Younger woman. So a younger woman is going to help you in some way. All right, dealings or relationship with a younger woman, and maybe you'll meet someone via a younger woman in terms of an opportunity in career or in personal life. All right, so a younger woman is going to help you. Let's see the overall blessing now. Great passion. So overall, with the Ace of Wands, I'm not surprised. Wow. So guys, you are going to have so much passion for life, and that's not surprising. When we are dissatisfied with life, that means we are not really excited about living it, right? But when we have great passion, we can make the most of every situation that we are in. So that's what, so see how the blessings are in sync. This is so beautiful. Let me keep it over here itself. Guys, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands, too good. Now let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Family. Wow, so there's definitely an addition in the family, or reconciliation of some sort in the family, especially when it comes to a mother and daughter relationship. So family is going to be of importance in the month of October. Also, this card is telling you that when you forgive, okay, your parent, one of your parents or both of your parents, especially a mother, you heal a lot. All right. Also, this card is saying that your mother from heaven if your mother is in heaven, she is sending love to you. All right. Let me keep your card over here. Let's see your next card regarding finances. Words of abundance. So, your words are going to be captured by the universe and presented to you in the form of reality. So, ensure that you are using positive words regarding your finances. You are saying affirmations, mantras, prayers that can bring in a lot of abundance. All right. Okay. Now, let me keep your card over here. Let's see your next card. What changes are going to come? End of an era. Wow. So isn't it amazing? This card is talking about endings, and you have got two new beginnings with the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups. You know, there are two new beginnings. So obviously there is going to be an ending, and these endings are good for you. They are not going to be, oh my god, it's ending. It's not that way. All right. It is a new beginning, an ending of something which has been, for a long time in your life. All right. Okay, let's see your next card. Let's see your love life. Retreat. Time alone or in nature will help you recharge. So if you are single and you're just tired of meeting people and things not moving ahead, take a break. All right. This can really help you to change your energies and rework on your energies and attract someone who is at the same vibrational level as you are. If you are a couple, you need to just take break from everything and just go and reconnect with each other. All right. Okay, let's see the next card. Your career. Energy healing. So your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose. Now, if you are not into healing and you're like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do with this? Well, it just means that your energy is so amazing that it heals people around you. For example, if you are in front desk, you have got such amazing energy that everyone who enters, all right, feels so refreshed by looking at you, by hearing you speak. All right. So whatever profession you are in, your energy is amazing and it can bring a lot of healing to others. All right. And you have the ability to bring to raise other people's energy as well. Let me keep your card over here. All right, let's see your next card. Surrender to inner peace. So guys, you need to understand that we have a choice every minute. Choice to be peaceful or choice to surrender to the chaos. All right. So if you keep on choosing to be calm, all right, eventually your brain will get trained to choose peace over chaos. All right. So surrender to inner peace. All right. That can really bring in that amazing calmness and tranquility that you are looking for. That's your health. Change physician. All right. Now, please understand this is a guidance, not meant to replace any doctor's advice, medicine, or doctors. All right. So this card is telling you that for any reason you're not able to find the right physician, all right, then you can always speak to people around who are undergoing the same issue as you, and if they have if they have sought any personal help, or you can just talk about it, or you can just pray to Archangel Chamuel and Archangel Raphael to lead you to the right physician who can heal you. All right. So that's what this card means. All right, guys, this is how your month looks like. Let's see your other divination tools. So let's see what box is applicable to you. The purple box is already gone. So let me pick one chit for you. All right. Okay. So you have got the red box. Wow. And not surprising, with Ace of Wands, it had to be red, right? Okay. So let me pick your cards first. I'm sorry if I'm too slow because I'm very particular about my cards. Okay, let me open the box. The first is life is a beautiful ride. Enjoy it. And this is in sync with your surrender to inner peace card. Okay, let me remove that for you. There you go. All right, so life is a beautiful ride. Enjoy it. Then be worried where you're going, how you're going, when we reach, and all that stuff. You have got slippers, which again talks about retreat, which came in your love card. All right, so just take a break, guys. All right, you have, I'll keep this over here. Okay, you have got this vehicle, which means you're going to move ahead. All right, and not surprising because any which way. All right, over here you did get the Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups, which talks about moving ahead. All right, okay, let's see next. You got over here, this person is trying to reach this cup. We don't know whether he will reach or not, but looking at this image, it looks like it is within its reach or her reach. Okay, so whatever you are desiring, it is within your reach. All right, you have got over lipstick. Wow, so some of you are going to buy new lipstick, or you may get lipstick as a gift. I look at lipstick from the point of view of makeover, so it's not a real lipstick, guys. All right, okay, now let's see your next charms. You have got over here, interesting, this person is thinking. Okay, this is his person and he's thinking. So you're going to think a lot. All right, and all your thoughts are going to turn into reality, so pay attention to your thoughts. Okay, let's see what your other divination tools are. Okay, let me keep your box over here. So you got over here stop. All right, at times what happens is we don't think and act, so this is asking you to stop, think, and then act. All right, over here it is telling you to not look down on anyone, because we are not in their shoes, and being judgmental never really helps. And I've observed one thing: whenever you look down upon someone, God will make you realize why not to. Okay, you got over here some, so this is applicable for some of you, not all of you. You got over here skips, so maybe some of you should start skipping as an exercise if you're allowed to. Let's see what other divination tool. Smile, it's the same in all languages. All right, so you need to smile more, and that really helps to break barriers. Okay, now let's say angel number. You got the number 14. Number 1 represents new beginnings. All right, so there's a lot of new beginnings coming in your life. Not surprising because you got the Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups as well. So the number 1 means that keep your thoughts positive as they are manifesting at a very rapid rate. The number 4 is telling you the divine, God, goddess, and archangels are supporting you. All right, now let's see what your alphabets are going to tell us. So this could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or some word which may be formed, which is of importance, or it can just mean that it could just be somebody else's first name, middle name, last name. All right, so the word jug is standing out for me, and pug as well. Some of you are going to get pugs. All right, so these are your alphabets. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. Okay, so think about a question, guys, for Goddess Durga, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got the answer as yes and trust. It's in between. So yes, if you trust, all right? And also, yes, you need to trust. Wow, group 2, this is the best answer I've ever seen in a Wheel of Fortune. All right, so this is so amazing. Group 2, you're going to have an amazing month of October. Enjoy each moment. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and absolutely rocking as always. So tell me group 3, are you watching the reels and the other stuff that I am uploading on YouTube? In case if you want to know how to do Durga Puja in Navratri, the way I do it, you can watch the link I'll be giving in the description column. Also, if you want to see a special pick a card reading as a message from Goddess Durga, link will be put to that as well. So I've chosen this lovely 7 chakra wand, which means balancing your chakras is going to be important in the month of October 2021. There's going to be a lot of spiritual growth happening in the month as well. So this wand, you can get it with my sales team, number given below. So let me keep it over here, and now let's see your month ahead. We're also going to see your divination tools. Let's see how we need to nurture yourself. I think some of you want to learn a different language, or maybe you are learning another language, or maybe you're not even realizing and you're learning another language. I'm also hearing K-drama, K-pop, so either you're watching that, let's see. Okay, your love life. I'm hearing the word go slow, like don't rush. Let's see your career. What you need to surrender. Message from Archangel Raphael regarding your health. Blessing from Goddess Durga for the month of October 2021. And we're going to remove an overall blessing which is beyond the month of October 2021 and in general, like timeless one. All right. So let me take my chair a bit ahead. Hold on. Okay. So let me keep the cards, pick up your cards. Blessings. Okay. So let's start with your first card. 3 of Wands. Wow. So you are going to spend October 2021 planning, strategizing. Teamwork, collaboration is going to be key. You are going to work with others to bring the best in whatever you are doing. All right. I also feel some of you are, with this card of course, that some of you are going to expand. Like you will have more connect with people outside the place that you are living. All right, so that's going to happen as well. Some of you may receive some sort of international clients, or there may be some sort of international connect happening as well for some of you. Okay, let's see the next card, Hanged Man. So you are going to let go of all that which is not serving you. You need to have a different perspective to bring out a different outcome, all right, in whatever you are seeking. Also, you have the answers, you just need to listen to them, all right. Also, creative thinking is going to be very high in this month. This is so beautiful. Flexibility is also important. Don't be too rigid. Don't have the approach of my way or the highway. Okay. Seven of Swords. Oh dear Lord. Not to worry, guys. It means that you need to be street smart. All right. Do not get fooled. Ensure that you are not letting anybody fool you. Don't fall for scams. All right. Protect your properties, your belongings. And also, this is telling you that be ethical and honest, all right? Otherwise, it will backfire. Let's see your other cards. Blessings from Goddess Durga. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So, Goddess Durga is going to help you to put in the right efforts in the right manner to achieve your goals. So, basically, she will be helping you to achieve your goals, all right? Sorry, I shook the camera. Alright, let's see the next card. Peacock, beware of great pride. So this is what I did tell you. Don't have the my way or the highway approach. And this card is telling you that Goddess Durga is going to bless you with humility. So don't be like, oh my God, but I'm already humble. Well, there's always a scope to be more humble, all right? And it's not always that you are going to be humble only because of a bad experience. At times, you see somebody else's story who is extremely successful, and when you see their humility, you learn from them, all right? So that is how we also get the blessing of being humble, all right? So don't be like a bad experience can only make you learn good lessons, okay? Let's see your health. Call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So praying to Archangel Raphael can definitely help you in lot many ways, especially in calming down your anxieties, all right? So you can see this card, all right? Now let's see your overall blessings from Goddess Durga irrespective of this month, okay? Financial pinch is going to go away. So this is a blessing, right? So we have to see in a positive light. So this means that if you have been feeling a financial pinch or financial crunch, that's going to go away. You are going to experience luxury. You are going to experience royalty, all right? This is so, and if you're already experiencing it, you're going to experience it further. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great month ahead. Surrender to complete healing. At times we don't really heal and we just move on. So if you are emotionally not okay, take a break, okay? The world is not going to stop if you take a break, all right? It's still going to go on. So take a break and breathe and heal yourself. Don't start, your activities without being completely healed, all right? Okay, that's important. Let's see your next card regarding your career. Artists, engaging in artistic activities is beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. So basically, artist means creativity, all right? And we did see with the handman, okay? Have a creative approach towards your work. Ensure that you have your own content that's going to really help you to grow ahead, all right? And also, at times painting can be so relaxing. I'm sorry, I shook the camera again. So do activities that completely relax you, even if there is no outcome to it, all right? Let's see your love message. Warning, don't dismiss the red flags over here. So if you're single and if you feel in your gut that something is wrong, if the vibe is not right, don't go ahead. If you are married or you are in a committed relationship, if your partner is telling you to pay attention to him or her, or is trying to communicate with you, please try and understand. In case if you feel that the things are not going the way it should, uh, take counseling from an expert. Okay, let's see the next card. What changes? You are stronger than you know. So don't let anything make you feel, oh my god, how am I supposed to handle this? What am I supposed to do? How will I deal with it? Please understand, you have got lot of inner strength, all right? And you can tap into that inner strength to face anything, all right? So you are going to realize your inner strength. That does not mean that you have to undergo something really bad and then your inner strength goes up. At times what happens is we realize we realize all our past experiences, and that makes us feel, oh my, I am really a strong person. At times when you hear how somebody handled a particular situation, or how someone is right now handling a situation, you realize, wow, I have a lot of inner strength because I'm able to handle the same situation in a better manner. Having said that, we all have different situations to deal with. All our shoes are different, all right? But at times it does help us to understand our inner strength. Okay, all right, let's go ahead. Let's see your finances. Declutter. So you need to clean your space. You need to let go of all that you do not need but you think you need, and you're never going to use ever after in your life. So all those things need to go for your money to come in. All right, let me keep your card over here. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Dream journal. Are you sleeping? So a dream journal is basically when you keep a book next to your bed, so that you, when the first thing when you get up, you write down whatever your whatever dreams you saw, and so that you can look at it later on. At times you will observe there's a particular pattern to your dream, or you will also observe that when you had an experience while being awake, you saw something similar to it when you were asleep, that kind. So keeping a dream journal can be very nurturing for you. At times, we get messages, ideas in our dreams. So write that down before you forget. Are you guys seeing such a beautiful angel wing? It looks like an angel wing, right? I just love this tea light candle holder. I'm sorry if I just went off the topic. Now let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. The tea light candles are available with us. Contact the sales team if you want. All right, so you have the last box remaining, which is this box, group 3. So let's open your box and let's see what goodies are there. Okay, so you have got enjoy every moment, be in the present. You have got over here penguin, which again talks about teamwork, and you did get the 3 of wands, which also talks about teamwork. Let me take your card over here. All right, so both talk about teamwork. All right, okay, let's see your other cards. Huge. So there's something huge that's going to happen, all right, which is good. Okay, huge does not mean bad. Able, which is your ability. Okay, please ensure that you are putting in your best and your original, because that's going to turn out into a huge opportunity. Dog, be loyal, be faithful. That can help. Some of you may get a dog, okay, as a pet. You may adopt one. You got girls over here, so maybe girls are going to be important in the month ahead. You may help some girls, or you may do some mentoring for girls. All right, let's see your other charms. Wow, look at this. You got bed, which talks about rest. All right, and you did get a card which spoke about rest. Let me remove that. Surrender to complete healing, was it? Yes, I think it was that card. Here you go. Surrender to complete healing. So rest, that's very important. All right, let's see other. You have got chalk over here. So again, chalk means writing. All right, and you did get a dream journal. All right. Also, if you want to write down about your dreams, do write it down. Okay, you got, oh my god, look at this. You got a chalk, and in the charm, also, this particular person is drawing something, and you did get the artist card as well. All right, so be creative, whether it's creative writing, add a lot of creativity in your work. You got over here flowers, a lot of good things are going to blossom in your life. You may also offer flowers to the divine. You got the number 28. Wow. You know, it means, so when I removed the card of blessing from Goddess Durga, overall blessing, which is removal of financial pinch, some of you were like, oh yeah, let's see. Well, this number is a reminder. The number 2 and 8 says, have faith, abundance is coming your way. All right, so that's what's going to happen in the month of October 2021. The dogs are having orchestra. You know, you can hear them so loudly. Okay, you got I love you. So the universe is telling you that it loves you to infinity. Goddess Durga is telling you that she loves you to infinity. Now let's see the alphabet. So this could be your middle name, first name, last name, or maybe somebody's middle name, first name, last name, or initials. All right, or maybe there's a word that requires your attention. What is really popping out is the word Om. Okay, it's AUM or OM. That's really popping out. So you also got room, which means speed. All right, so this is your alphabets, and see how they are resonating. Okay, now let me remove your wheel of fortune. So think about a question for Goddess Durga and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got jackpot. So whatever you asked for, guys, you're going to get a jackpot in that. And we are going to also do the birthday reading for the month of October. So if your birthday is in the month of October, stay tuned because the next, I put a timestamp below, you can check that out. So group 3, I hope you enjoyed this pick a card reading as much as I did. Take care, have a wonderful October 2021, lots of love to you, and enjoy your beautiful month. All right, bye bye. Hello my birthday babies, how are you doing? So if your birthday is in the month of October 2021, let me begin by wishing you happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear October Bonds, happy birthday to you. Yay! So let's see how your birthday is going to be. I'm so excited. We're also going to see your divination tools, angel cards, tarot cards. Okay, let's see the cards first. Let's also see the blessings. See what you need to surrender to have a great birthday. I'll also upload my birthday video soon, which was in September. Thank you so much for wishing. Some of you are going to receive a special cake is what I am hearing. The cake is going to be either baked by someone for you who really, wants to make a birthday special, or there's some special themed cake that you have in mind. All right. I think most of the birthdays get ruined because of expectations. That's why I always say that however you want your birthday to be, communicate it to others, all right, and plan yourself. Why not? What's wrong in that? Okay. I'm also seeing a beautiful outfit. I'm seeing a lot of blue. Let me keep your cards over here. Okay, let's see your tarot cards first. Three of Swords. Okay, now don't get disappointed. Oh no, my birthday is going to be so bad. Okay, so that's why I said expectations. Okay, so don't have too much expectations and from others. Okay, whatever you want, however you want your birthday to be celebrated by yourself. Okay, plan it accordingly. All right, and then this Three of Swords situation will not arrive at all. Okay. Also, I feel that you may heal someone. Okay. Wow, Temperance. Look at this card. There are cupcakes over here. She is winking, and there are books. Wow, there's a laptop over here. So, and she's exercising. So, you know, there would be some disappointment on your birthday, but that's going to get balanced out. All right. So don't worry. Okay. You are going to balance it out. Some of you are going to have a home party. You may invite few friends over and enjoy a nice party with them. I also feel that some of you may get gifts as an electronic device as a gift as well. All right, so wow, this is beautiful. Knight of Cups. So look, from Three of Swords to Knight of Cups, that's quite a change of energy, right? So you are going to feel all loved. So it may so happen, I don't know what may happen. People may show you that, oh, I don't remember your birthday, oh, I don't know it's a birthday, and then they may surprise you with the birthday party. All right, so that could be the reason. All right, but there is going to be someone young who is going to shower a lot of love on you and is going to make you feel really, really special and loved. Okay, let's see your blessings. Too much concern with sexual matters. So this card is telling you that okay, for first time I'm lost of words. All right, because it's a birthday reading, right? So maybe it's an important birthday, okay, like which is kind of, you understand. All right, let me go ahead. Okay, now let me remove the next card. Hidden secrets can harm you. So this is a blessing, right? Which means it has to be looked as a blessing, which means there's going to be a surprise party for many of you. All right, that is why, what could be a hidden secret that can harm you on your birthday? Okay, which is people acting as if they don't remember your birthday and at the end of the day surprising you. So this is a blessing. All right, so which clearly means you are going to be surprised with an amazing birthday party, and some of you are going to have a naughty birthday party. Okay, all right, let's go ahead. Money will be coming to you. Wow, so this is a blessing coming for you guys. You are going to get lot of financial gifts as a birthday gift as well, and money is going to start pouring in. All right, some of you may even get naughty birthday gifts. All right, since it's a blessing. Okay, how you need to nourish yourself, nourish your temple, which means nourish your body. So ensure that you are taking care of your body. All right, our body is a temple. All right, so we need to pay attention to what we are eating, how we are nurturing it as well. Okay, so if you take care of your body, it's going to really help you to have a great birthday and love your body. That's the most important thing. Let's see your finances. Detox your friendship. So clearly from your cards, I feel that there is going to be someone whom you thought to be your best friend, but they're not going to act like one on your birthday, and that should make you realize who your true friends are. Friendship does not mean only the ones who throw you parties or you throw who give you good gifts. Okay, that's not what I'm talking about. True friendship. True friends are the ones who will understand what you are going through. They'll hold your hand, they'll make fun of you, uh, they'll also troll you at times, but they have your back. All right, that's what true friendship is. So some of you are going to really realize your true friends and who are not your friends on your birthday. All right, let's see your next card. Surrender to setting limits. So you need to set healthy boundaries, all right, and say a no whenever you need to say a no, which means if there are some friends of yours who are really acting funny on your birthday, all right, you need to tell them a no. All right, if they want you to throw a very expensive party, or if they're expecting something very something which you're not comfortable with, say a no. All right, let's go ahead. Let's see the changes coming your way on your birthday. Decisions. So a lot of important decisions you're going to take on your birthday, which is going to really help you to go ahead. So overall, your birthday looks quite good to me. I see money coming to you, a surprise birthday party, and also some naughty gifts. I also see you getting rid of those fair weather friends, paying attention to your body, nurturing your body. I think with this birthday, you're going to pay more attention to your body in terms of eating healthy, staying hydrated, taking care of it. That's a major change that I'm seeing from this birthday onwards. And if I'm not wrong, it's Nas' birthday too. So Nas, happy birthday. Nas from Ahil Tarot. All right. So let's see your other divination tools. Ahil Tarot is a beautiful Hindi channel. All right. And it has got lovely readings. You should check it out if you love picker cards. Now let's see your divination tools. Okay, the first is life is a kitchen. Put on your prettiest apron and whip up something incredible. So definitely lot of amazing food is going to be cooked, and you're going to eat really good food on your birthday. Let's see. Oh wow, you got house. So definitely house party happening. All right, some of you may even buy home or sell home on your birthday, or you may get a home as a gift. You got apple again, which means you're going to start living a healthy, start having a healthy lifestyle. You have got over here dog, which means a lot of loyal friends of yours are going to make a birthday special. All right. You got table over here, so you work with table in some way. Also, table means stability, sort of stability and support coming your way. You have got money. Look at that. This is an Indian currency. Where are your cards? Oh, I kept your cards aside. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Coins, money coming to you on your birthday. Sort of financial gifts. Wow, that is so beautiful. Okay, wow, you got so you're going to spend your birthday with young people like cousins or friends or family. All right, you got over here a lot of things are going to get unlocked. You got over here iron, which means sort of things are which were not sorted are going to get ironed out. All right, you got the number 67 over here, which means your material and spiritual needs are going to be met. All right, and you're on the right path, so don't worry. Oh, you got two angel numbers. That's awesome. You got the number 36. You got 26. Wow. So 6 could be of some relevance, could be life path number or your birthday number. The ascended masters are with you. All your material needs are going to be met, and you are on the right path, my friend. Let's see what else you have got. Do as you would be done by. Almost too simple, but this is all you need to get by. So remember one thing, this birthday is going to make you realize a lot of things, okay? So let the realization help you to grow ahead, okay? You got over here, I choose strength, all right? So you are you're really a strong person, okay? And you are meant to really, realize how powerful you are, okay? Let's see. Oh, wow, this is so awesome. You got another divination tool which talks about money. A lot of money coming your way, my friend, from this birthday onwards. Money, money, money. I hope you have seen my Your Millennial series, in which I've shared a lot of exercises regarding money. All right, let's see next card. Sing. So you may have a good time singing songs with your family. Shine. Some of you, if you are a singer, you're going to shine from this birthday onwards. Let's see. Jumped and make. All right, so jumped would mean that you are going to move ahead. You're going to really cross a lot of obstacles from this birthday onwards. You got over here, there's always a reason to smile. So remember that on your birthday, and smile, okay? Smile as much as you can. Let's see your alphabets. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or a word that requires your attention. I am also hearing that some of you are going to wear a traditional outfit, like whatever culture you belong to, you may wear a traditional outfit from that culture. Okay, so these are your alphabets: SOTOI. Oh, I hope you can see it. Okay, one more alphabet, just okay. So I can see the word bark, and there's a dog over there. So yeah, some people are going to be very jealous of you on your birthday. Oh my god, why do people love him so much? How many gifts this person got? Oh my god, this person got so much of money, XYZ and all of that. All right, that's going to happen on your birthday. So that's how you're going to realize who your true friends are and who your friends are not. Remember one thing, a true friend will never ever put you down or say negative things about you to others. Yes, they will say negative things to you on your face, but not to others. That's the first rule of being a friend. All right, a true friend. All right, my birthday babies, your birthday looks really awesome. One thing for sure is a lot of money abundance. Your financial story is going to change from this birthday onwards. A lot of abundance coming to you, a lot of financial gifts coming to you. If you have been praying for a home, that's also coming to you. A lot of things getting unlocked. And now let me spin the wheel for you. All right, so think about a question, my friends. You have got over here yes. So whatever you're asking for, the answer is yes, my birthday babies. All right, guys, take care. I hope you enjoyed this birthday reading as much as I did. Take care. Lots of love to you. May God bless you on your birthday. I really pray and hope that you have a wonderful birthday. Take care. Bye-bye.